Hey YouTube, GarageBoys here. Today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to fix your daytime running lights on a Volvo S40. As you can see, this one is not working. It's a very easy process. I'm going to just cut to the chase and show you how to do it. All you're going to need is your hands, and that's it. Recommended gloves, but not mandatory. So here we go. First step, pop your hood. Perfect. Step 2, if it's left or right, it's the same process, but mine is left, so I'm gonna go to the left. Again, there's a 06 Volvo S40. So just come in here. You see this little metal thing? You're gonna just bring that up, pull it up. Use your gloves, just pop it up. Come on. There we go. It comes right up, just like this. There you go. That's the second step. Just put it to the side. And now you should be able to pop this out really easily. See? Third step, just grab the headlight and bring it out. You can wiggle it, play with it for a little bit. It's better to use both of your hands, but there you go. It comes right out. It's kind of complicated to do it with one hand, but there you go. Okay, so now that it's out, that little plastic, you can put it back. There you go. So now we're gonna work on this. Step 4, you see these little metal things? You're gonna pop them open. Very easy, just grab them, push them to the side. They're gonna click like that, see? Just move it to the side. This one, this way, just like this. And then this little black thing, you can come, pick it up, put it to the side. Step 5, your light bulb. You see it right there? Very easy, just turn it to the left, bring it right out. Step 6, you probably have to use both of your hands, but you're gonna just, there's 2 clips on the side. You're gonna pop this up, pop it up and pull, and also pop this one up this way and pull out. You're gonna have to use both of your hands. Step 7, you're basically done. Just put everything back in reverse. You're gonna put your new light bulb in here and just put everything back in reverse. Let me show you how it looks now. Okay guys, there you go. It's done. If you wanna buy the part, check my link in the description. You can buy it online unless you wanna drive to the auto shop and buy it yourself, that's fine. Part is very cheap, not expensive, very quick job. Took me literally 2 minutes. I tried to make this video real quick. Hopefully you enjoyed it and it helped you a lot. Please like and subscribe, also share. Thanks for watching. Also check my merch. Very, very, very nice hoodies. All right, take care. Peace.